Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, back in the field with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and within this video I want to demonstrate instead of landscape, which is wide when you think of traditional ultra high definition television or 1080p HD, whatever format you're watching in, you think of a wide TV, kind of wide and not tall. Now what I'm going to do in this, and this is, so if you watch YouTube Shorts, and that's actually how I'll post the video that I'm filming, is YouTube Short, but YouTube Shorts are up and down. So that's called portrait instead of wide, which is called landscape. So this video, I'm gonna power on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We're gonna get airborne, and I'm gonna film a few video clips in the portrait mode, and I'm gonna post them on my channel, youtube.com/IricSky, as YouTube Shorts. So I want you to look at those and tell me what you think about the quality. That's become a popular video format, not super recently, it's been around for a while, but people like myself didn't necessarily embrace short form videos or videos that are in the portrait mode. I like a wide video, personal preference. With that being said, because I like YouTube, I've embraced the portrait style videos for some of my videos. Videos like this, they're going to remain landscape, wide, and that's just how I like to film. But nevertheless, we're going to test this because I want to see what this video recording in portrait mode looks like. So to get to portrait mode, and my phone's kind of hot, man, because I've been out here in the sun, that you push this thing above the record button, and then you do and we're finding this together, okay? I know how to do it with photos, but let's see if I can do tall and narrow video. There's 4K. Huh. Okay. Well, there's 4K 60. That's the video mode I'm using. But I wonder how I would toggle. I need to research this, because see, if I was doing a still photo, I could go into photo mode, and then I could switch to the tall and narrow. Let's get airborne here and see if we can figure it out. Or actually, I guess we don't even have to get airborne for this test. There's really no point. This right here, of course, is the gimbal wheel, so I can gimbal up, gimbal down. But how do I switch? Let's see if that did it. Oh, I got it. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. So here's what you do. So see this little button, and I hope you can see it well. It's right above the 1X. It looks like a little, well, it looks like a landscape symbol. Duh. So I click that, and now it's portrait. And that's indicated by the video is, it's tall and narrow instead of wide. And so that's portrait, and then that's landscape. Wide. Portrait is tall and narrow. So we're going to hit record. It is recording video, and we're going to get airborne, and I'm posting this as a YouTube short. So you will be able to watch it in YouTube short format, what I'm recording right now. And I'm going to get over here so I'll be in the video. How cool is that? So that was a typical short. short form video, tall and narrow. I recorded it, and you can see me on it, and then you saw the landing in that. So check out, subscribe, and check out my YouTube shorts, and you'll see that video, tall and narrow. Still 70% battery life remaining. This is phenomenal. And the fact that this battery is USB-C rechargeable, when I got a bunch of business to take care of. So I go take care of business, but while I'm taking care of other business, then I've got my USB-C charging in my vehicle, and it's charging the battery. So we're gonna continue. So that was this video. Like I said, that's how I switched and filmed in portrait. So just as a reminder, to film in portrait, you go to that little doohickey icon right there, and it'll, when it's in portrait, you'll see that it's tall and narrow, and if you want to go back to landscape, just push that. So very handy, especially, like I said, I'm not a huge shorts guy on YouTube, but I post YouTube shorts. Some people may use the tall and narrow for other social media networks as well, because a lot of them use that. YouTube's my thing, man. So yeah, I'll get us some good shorts, and I don't know, tell me what you think. What does the tall and narrow, what does the portrait video mode in the DJI Mini 4 Pro look like? Watch my short video, YouTube short video, and comment, tell me. I mean, is it good quality, is it not? You're not gonna offend me, I didn't make this drone. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and you know, as a reminder, always practice, and not just practice, but also preach safe and responsible drone use. It's so important that we're safe and responsible while we enjoy drones, because if we're not, this hobby might cease to exist, and we wouldn't want that. No, drones are fun. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.